Hi guys, what's up? It's Kaylani here. Does everyone know who Johnny Ive is? When you open an Apple product and pull the lid off the box, it creates this little vacuum until you finally see exactly what's inside. That wasn't random. Johnny Ive was obsessed with every single detail of the experience. Steve Jobs would come up with the big idea, yell at Wozniak to build it, and Johnny Ive would make it feel special. The weight, the material, the way it felt in your hand, all of that mattered. That's why people are willing to pay more. What would Apple even be without Wozniak and that design obsession? So, where is Johnny now? He quietly took a massive deal at OpenAI. Not because he needed the money, because he saw what's coming next. OpenAI is planning to build its own AI device, and at the same time, one company is quietly working on over 40 AI-powered devices for companies just like OpenAI. Think about Jarvis from Iron Man. Tony Stark didn't pull out his phone every 5 minutes. He didn't check through menus, he didn't check on apps. He simply told Jarvis exactly what he wanted, and Jarvis handled the rest. They're not talking about building 40 new smartphones. They're talking about AI-powered devices, earpieces, wearables, jewelry, small devices that sit in the background. Think about what that actually means. Most of what we call smart is just memory, being able to recall things when you need them. Imagine if you had photogenic memory. Imagine never forgetting a name, a phone number, a conversation, or a tiny detail from a business meeting you had 3 weeks ago. Now imagine a device that could listen to everything you did all day long, every conversation, every random thought that you spoke out loud, and it actually remembered it for you. Not in a creepy surveillance way, but real privacy. It just knew. And not only would it remember, it would actually do things for you. Any task you could think of. Better than an app. More customized than an app. Without the clutter, without the ads, without the third-party middleman stealing your data before you even get what you actually need. That's what these devices are going to do. They're not just going to be another app on your phone. They're going to replace the entire way we interact with technology. Why would you keep paying for apps or deal with a phone so cluttered you can't find what you actually need? Why would you do that when you could just tell AI exactly what you need and have it do it for you? Instantly, customized, and privately. The shift is already happening in hardware, not just another app on your current phone. Johnny Ive saw it, and that's why he made the move that he made. The design legend who made Apple feel special just bet on what comes next after the smartphone era. Most people are gonna miss this. There's a company out there right now building more than 40 of these devices. That company is Qualcomm. Their CEO just came out and said they're working on over 40 new AI-powered designs. The same company that used to make chips for flip phones is now building the hardware of what comes next after smartphones. A lot of investors are stuck in Apple stock right now because they don't want to pay capital gains tax. They're not being patient. They're trapped. Meanwhile, the real shift is happening in hardware. This is the kind of change that doesn't happen often. The second it becomes obvious, most people are going to miss it. If you like content like this and don't want to miss out on my next trade idea, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Bye.